Good morning, boys and girls. Today, we're going to conclude our study on Knuffle Bunny. So today, we are going to talk about the way that Knuffle Bunny books are the same and how they are different. So, on Google Meet today, this is what you're going to discuss with your teacher, and then they will post the picture of your chart that you made together so that you can use that to help you with your writing today. So after your Google Meet, there will be a chart posted to the reading and writing assignment in the Google Classroom. So the first thing you're going to write is, what do you notice that is the same in the Knuffle Bunny books? So the things that are the same are, and now the first thing we're going to talk about are the characters. They're all the same in all of the books. Now, who are those characters that are in the books? You're right, Trixie. Who else? Knuffle Bunny, the mom, and the dad. Those are all things that are the same in the Knuffle Bunny books. In all of the books, there's Trixie, there's the Knuffle Bunny, there's the mom, and the dad. Now we're going to talk about things that are different. And the first thing that I noticed that is different are Trixie is not the same age in all the books. She gets older as the books go on. So as those books go on, Trixie gets older. She's not a little baby anymore. In the first book, she's a baby. In the second book, she's not. And then in the third book, she's even bigger when she gives her Knuffle Bunny to the little baby on the plane that's crying. So that's going to be your job first, is you're going to write, what do you notice that's the same and what do you notice that's different? And that's something that you're going to talk about on Google Meet, so your teacher will post that for you. Then your job is going to be to give your opinion. So we've been giving our opinion on what our favorite pigeon book was. And now it's time to give your opinion, or what you think is the best Knuffle Bunny book. So my favorite Knuffle Bunny book is, and then you're going to write Knuffle Bunny, I'll put it up here, Knuffle Bunny, Knuffle Bunny 2, and Knuffle Bunny 3. So your job is going to be to pick which one you thought was the best book. So then you can circle it. So I'm going to put my circle in a second. And you're going to circle which one you think is the best book. So I liked Knuffle Bunny. I like the very first book the best, so I'm going to circle Knuffle Bunny because that's the one that I think is the best. And why do you think it's the best? I think it is the best because I think that book is so funny. Now I'm going to have to move this down. I'm going to move it here. That book is so funny. Trixie makes me laugh when she is trying to talk and it comes out as aggle flaggle kablabble. So that is why I think that the book is the best. I also like that Trixie says her first words at the end. So that is my opinion on why I like the first book the best. Your opinion might be different. You might like a different book better. Or you might like this same book, but you might have different reasons for why you like it. So that's going to be your job today, is to write your opinion, what you think is the best book. And we're all not going to have the same opinions. We're all going to have different opinions, and that's okay. So if you have any questions, you can reach out on Dojo, you can reach out on Google Classroom, or you can text us. I look forward to seeing your work. Have a great day, boys and girls.